Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So my loves, in today's video I'm going to be walking you all through my step-by-step skincare routine for brightening and anti-aging. But before we get right into this video, please kindly give my video a very big thumbs up. Okay, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when next I upload amazing content like this. So the first step for this 9th time skincare routine would be double cleansing, and the product I'll be using is the Skin 1004 double cleansing duo. So this one is their light cleansing oil, while this one is their Ampoule foam. So I'll be going in with their cleansing oil first, and I'm going to be applying this on a dry skin. So my skin is actually dried, and on a dry palm also, my palm is also dried. I really love how this cleansing oil is very lightweight on my skin. So this is how lightweight it is. It is a very light cleansing oil that does not irritate my skin at all. This thing does not irritate my eyes. So I'll just be using this to massage my skin for about 1 minute. You can see the way I'm literally using this around my eye region, and this thing literally does not irritate my eyes. That's why I said I love it so much. It is so gentle on the skin. It's not going to irritate your skin. I also have clogged pores, which I have been seeing great improvement from, and one of the products that has literally been assisting me when it comes to treating my clogged pores is double cleansing, like using this Skin 1004 light cleansing oil. I love focusing around the areas where my pores mostly come out, which is this my nose region like this, and also under my eyes, like under this place. This is the other region of my face where those pores are more pronounced. It's mostly this region of my face literally. I would emulsify. That is the next important step, and by emulsifying I'm just going to take a little bit of water and then use it to emulsify this oil cleanser before I wash it off. You can see what I'm doing. When you emulsify like this, it is going to enable your oil cleanser to work properly, to work better on your skin. Okay, this step is very important when it comes to using oil cleanser or even using a cleansing balm. I will now go ahead to wash it off. So once I'm done rinsing this from my skin, I'll go in with the second cleansing. This is double cleansing, so you need a cleansing oil and then you need a water-based cleanser, and I will also be using the Ampoule foam from Skin 1004 brand. This product is also very gentle on the skin and it lathers very well. I'll just take a little bit of this, so you can see the way this product is literally lathering up properly on my skin. So guys, I'm done cleansing my skin. The next product I'm going to be using is actually a barrier repair product. It is mostly centered on barrier repair, and that is also from the Skin 1004 brand, and that is the Probio-cica essence toner, the Skin 1004 Probio-cica essence toner. The reason why I am using a barrier support or repair product is because the skincare product that I'm going to be using in today's video, one of it is actually tends to be irritating on my skin. So whenever I use that product on my skin, I try as much as possible to also use skincare products that are very nice to help repair my skin barrier or protect my skin barrier. So I'm just going to use this to actually help me protect my skin barrier. And can you see the way my face looks hydrated? This product actually contains ceramide NP in it, which is good for skin barrier. This product contains multiple forms of hyaluronic acid, a very nice hydrating ingredient. So it contains multiple forms of hyaluronic acid in it. It also contains panthenol and allantoin. So in overall, making use of this product will be so nice if you have like irritated skin. So this is the way my skin looks like after I'm done applying this essence toner, and then I'll be going in with another toner, and the second toner that I'll be using is also a barrier repair or barrier support product, and that one is the Mochi Ceramide Mochi toner. This Mochi toner, I am almost done with it, and I love this product so much. It has like a milky color. Doesn't This is how the color of it is. It is packed with ceramides, which is going to help you to like repair your skin barrier and other barrier repair products. It is very gentle on the skin, very hydrating on the skin. Can you see the way my skin is literally glowing? For this routine, it's only 2 toners I'm going to be making use of, and my skin already feels so hydrated at this point. The next product I'll be going in with is from the Celimax brand. This is a Korean skincare brand also. So this is the Celimax Noni Calming Plus Radiance Ampoule. So this is the Celimax Noni Ampoule. So some of the benefits this product actually gives to my skin. The first one is brightening benefits. Like, one thing I love about this product is the immediate glow that this thing leaves on my skin when I apply it. So let me apply this, and this is very calming on the skin. This routine, I would love to use like a lot of calming skincare products, and it is also very hydrating on the skin. Guys, can you see the way my skin, like, can you see the way my skin looks more hydrated? This product contains 71.77% of Noni fruit extract, which is rich in antioxidants. It is also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. This product also contains adenosine. It contains 0.04% of adenosine, which is another ingredient that offers anti-aging benefits, although this contains only 0.04%, which is actually a low concentration, but this thing will still deliver like subtle anti-aging benefits to your skin, and that's because it deeply hydrates the skin. It also gives you that glowy looking skin. It contains pentanol in it, which helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin. It helps to repair the skin barrier. Yes, this product is also a barrier repair product. The pentanol in this product also offers anti-aging benefits, and that is by increasing collagen and elastin production. So in overall, making use of these products on my skin, most especially in this skincare routine, will help me to brighten my skin. You know that this skincare routine is focused on brightening and anti-aging. When you make use of this product over time, you would notice that your overall skin's radiance, your overall skin complexion will be improved. So that is one of the reasons why I love this. And then another reason is that this is very nice for repairing or protecting my skin barrier, and then this product will also help to soothe irritation. This product is very perfect for people that has like acne prone skin. Let's say you have acne prone skin and you also have an irritated skin or inflamed skin, then you can introduce this. It's a very nice calming skincare product that I have been loving so much on my skin. Guys, can you see the way my skin, like the way I'm touching my skin right now, it feels so hydrated. Like, didn't you see the glow on my skin right now? So the next product I'll be going in with, and this is a product that contains a very effective ingredient when it comes to delivering anti-aging benefits, and that is NAD Plus. And for this video, I'm going to be using the Numbuzin number 9 plus NAD Plus Bio Lifting Seal Essence. This product here. Now, this NAD Plus does not only help like to get rid of fine lines, wrinkles on the skin. NAD Plus also helps to strengthen the skin barrier. NAD Plus is also nice to improve your skin's texture and your skin's overall radiance. Notice that this skincare routine is focused on brightening and also anti-aging. So a product like this will deliver two things. When you make use of this product over time, you will start noticing like the radiance, like the boost in your overall skin's complexion, and that is due to the presence of NAD plus. Now this product has a slimy consistency. It has a slimy like consistency, and it is super hydrating on the skin. Guys, my skin feels so smooth. I really love the way this product helps with my skin's texture. If you have like a rough skin texture, you want to boost your skin's radiance, you want to get rid of fine lines, wrinkles on your skin, then you need to start making use of NAD plus. And a good product you can introduce is the Numbuzin number 9 plus NAD plus bio lifting seal essence. And another thing I love about this product, or NAD plus in general, is that it is gentle on the skin. Remember I said that NAD plus also helps to strengthen the skin barrier. So it will not only deliver anti-aging benefits, it will still help you to strengthen your skin barrier. And I also love the fact that this product can be used in the morning, this product can be used at night, this product can even be used daily. So I'll just wait for this product to actually like absorb into my skin before I now go in with the next product, which is a retinal shot. And the retinal shot I'm going to be using is also from the Celimax brand, and that is the Celimax retinal shot, this product here. I noticed that whenever I make use of this product on my skin, I usually get this little tingling sensation. Now when it comes to using this product, presently I only use this product once a week, okay, because of this product contains retinal and it contains 0.1% of retinal. Now retinal is more potent, like it is more active than retinol, and it tends to be more irritating compared to retinol. And then another thing about this product is that okay, so when I started making use of this product, I noticed that this thing started purging me out. So if you want to make use of this product, this Celimax product, it has a tendency to purge you out also. So that is something else I noticed with the use of this product. So presently I only use this retinal shot once a week, like maximum once a week, okay, and only at night. But when it comes to the effectiveness of this product is very effective. Like this product is one of the products that has been helping me with like smile lines. This place here, it is very effective when it comes to treating fine lines and wrinkles on the skin, okay. This product is very effective. And another thing I love about this product is the glow it gives on my skin. So guys, right now I will go in with this retinal shots, to little pim like this all over my face. And then another place I love putting is my neck region, my neck lines. I will now go ahead to blend it in, and this is where the tingling sensation now starts. Whoa, I'm not actually feeling any. Okay, the tingling sensation has really reduced. But I'm still feeling the tingling sensation from this product as I'm rubbing it in. Guys, can you see? And this product actually leaves a glow on my skin. Then I'll just rub in the one on my neck region also. Now another thing, this product will actually still help you to brighten your skin, and the reason why I said that is because retinoids, okay, like retinol, retinal, tretinoin, they do not only offer anti-aging benefits, they also help to promote a brighter looking skin. Like when it comes to treating dark spots on your skin, one of the ingredients that is recommended that you introduce is retinoids, like tretinoin, okay. And this is an example of retinoids. This is retinal. So making use of retinoids on your skin will help you like to deliver anti-aging benefits, and it will still help you to brighten your skin. My skin feels very, very well moisturized. And because of that, I will just be going in with a very, very lightweight moisturizer for this routine. This Skin 1004 Poremizing Light Gel Cream. This is a very lightweight face moisturizer, and the reason why I am picking this up is because it actually assists me when it comes to treating my clogged pores. This does not necessarily offer anti-aging benefits. Okay, anytime I do my skincare routine, I must surely have like some barrier repair skincare products in that skincare routine. Like, it is already, I'm already used to it. Okay, I'm already used to it. Let me show you what the consistency of this product looks like. You can see how it is very, very lightweight. Like I was saying, I'm already used to like always using a barrier repair skincare product or just a gentle skincare product. Like, I cannot do my skincare routine, do a skincare routine, and all the whole skincare product I'm going to use are active skincare. No, no. Like, I cannot do that. I must mix active with gentle, soothing products because I understand the importance of having a healthy skin barrier. And if your skin barrier is damaged or messed up, that glow that you're looking for on your skin, you will not be able to achieve that effortless skin glow. Following this skincare routine, this skincare product in your nighttime skincare routine, you would notice that over time your skin will literally be glowing. You will see the improvements in your skin's complexion. So my loves, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please kindly give my video a very big thumbs up. Okay, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when next I upload amazing content like this. So my loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.